Service and complaint management. We all know service marketing is based on simple relationship and value, and CCM stands for Customer Complaint Management. But do we all know actually what complaint management is? Customer complaint management encompasses on techniques, processes, and systems that lessen the chances of customers having problems and allow business to respond fairly. In this lesson, we will go through handling customer complaints, customer complaint management initiatives, and the service management. After going through this presentation, you should be able to define customer complaint, explain complaint management process, discuss benefit of customer complaint management, understand service management, learn the characteristics of service management. Complaints can be generated by everything from product malfunctions to improperly trained or uncaring employees. A complaint will arise for either or both of the following reasons. First is when a product or service is faulty and does not function correctly, and second is when a product or service does not meet the expectations of the customer. Product-specific complaint can be handled by fixing the product or replacing it. A good complaint management is one of the most crucial requirements for successful businesses when managing and understanding customer needs. An effective complaint handling system is essential for the business. An effective complaint handling system needs someone in the company to manage it and take ultimate responsibility. Developing customer complaint management is an 8-step process. First is to define the problem and gather information. Second is to hold preliminary discussions with major stakeholders. Third is to create a work group. Fourth is to prepare a preliminary draft. Fifth is to consult with the stakeholders. Sixth is announcing the initiative. Seventh is implementing the initiative, and eighth is monitor, review, and improve the initiative. Successful complaint management allows us to mitigate the root cause of complaints and to improve the most relevant processes and procedures through in-depth analysis of emerging issues and frequently occurring cases. Effective complaint management benefits an organization in 4 important ways. It identifies areas that need changing and allows clients to provide input to service improvement. It gives the organization a second chance to serve and satisfy dissatisfied clients. It provides an opportunity to strengthen public support for the organization, and it helps reduce an organization's workload. A service business entails selling a product that does not exist until the customers pay for it. Marketing a service business is not the same as marketing a product. Selling a service is more difficult than selling a tangible product. Mass marketing strategies do not work well with a service business. Referrals, client relations, participation in organization, and direct mails are the promotional tools in marketing a service business. Service industries can be classified by the type of user, and there are 3 types of end users. First, individuals as end user. Second, business to business as end user. And third is industrial end user. Service characteristics are intangibility, perishability, and variability. Intangibility means a customer cannot see and touch the service product. Visualization, association, physical appearances are the ways by which intangibility can be overcome. Perishability factor prevents a service marketer from storing his offers. The service marketer suffers from lost opportunities. Over-marketing, managing demand and supply are the ways to overcome the perishability factor. Variability conveys to the customer an element of inconsistency and non-standardization in the service offer and service delivery. Training of internal and external customers Recruitment and selection of internal customers and automation are the ways to overcome the variability factor. Now let us check if we have understood the various concepts discussed in this lesson clearly. Complaints can be generated by everything from product malfunctions to improperly trained or uncaring employees. Right or wrong? Right. Intangibility factor prevents a service marketer from storing his offers. Right or wrong? Wrong. Effective complaint management identifies areas that need changing and allows clients to provide input to service improvement. Right or wrong? Right. Before we end, let us briefly revise what we have studied so far. Customer complaint management specifies the key requirements for handling customer complaints successfully and includes controls to help you address customer dissatisfaction to the benefit of both client and organization. Complaints can be generated by everything from product malfunctions to improperly trained staff. An effective complaint handling system is essential for success of the business. Successful complaint management allows us to mitigate the root cause of complaints and to improve the most relevant processes and procedures through in-depth analysis of emerging issues and frequently occurring cases. Selling a service is more difficult than selling a tangible product. Service characteristics are intangibility, perishability, and variability.